Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and let me share with you how to suggest emojis on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the general management. Now let's tap on Samsung keyboard settings, because this is my keyboard I've got currently set. And as you can see here in the smart typing, on the second position we've got suggest emojis option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on it, and as you can see it is immediately activated and applied. So it means that from now on your device will suggest you emojis whilst typing. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switch here again. So actually this is it. This is how to suggest emojis in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.